Hello and welcome to Tash Life 2. I'm Tash and today we are out in the garden again, trying to get on with some tasks that need to be done. So I'll take you over and show you what we're doing. Okay, so I have been taking the dirt out of here and putting it into here. There are roots all through here. I have to dig right through it to get the sand out, the soil out, because it's got the weedy roots coming into it. So this is quite full. I can't really fit any more soil in it. It's actually bulging up over like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all my pots from the gravel side of the house and I'm going to put them around the other side of the house, which is a bit narrower. But first of all, they need topping up and, you know, a good water. They do need to be topped up with sheep poo, but I haven't got any at the moment. I've got some coming. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do these 4 pots and give them a good water and take them around the side. So I'll set you up and we'll get into it. So these are pineapple tops that I planted, and the garlic came up from last time. So it is mid-November, so I mean it's a year late, but we had another one here. Yeah, there's another one. We had Remembrance Day, like a week ago. So the timing's pretty good on that, I'd say. Probably could have digged them up a bit earlier, but there's more. Oh yeah, got some more. So I did do a video, I'll link it down below, of when I planted these, and I didn't get to, a year ago my partner was already sick and I wasn't well either, so I didn't get to finish the video. So it regrew again all by itself, and yeah, now I've got to finish the video. Is there any more in here? Yes, there is. Some more. So this is from the seed garlic. The garlic that I bought from the shops, that didn't take off, it didn't work. But this is from the seed garlic. Yeah, I think that's, oh there's another one here. There's one. And that's a rock. Oh, avocado seed. Right, so I think that's it for that one. I think I'll just top it up a bit. And we'll put some of this in. And I think I'll put some wetter soil on there. I don't have a lot left, but so this is wetter soil. I only got a little bit, but nothing. So that's that one all ready for water. this one, the pineapple tops, not doing very well. I think I'll just top it up and replant them. They just don't get enough water where they are. And this is from one of the pineapples that I grew. These are all actually from pineapples that I grew. So I just keep the tops and replant them. Another one. Not much of a root system going. Okay, back in. Now, this is my partner's grape. It's still alive. I think I'm just going to pull it. Oh God. I'm just going to pull it out and top it up in the bottom. Trim it? I think I might trim it as well. It's not the best thing to cut it with, but my clippers are out the front. So I think I'll... And I just want to have sauces for all of these, so I'm just going to get some sauces that fit. So, 2, 3. I've found a bunch of sauces. So, I think I might load these up into the wheelbarrow and take them around for a good watering. Okay, I have to come back and get the grape. So this is going to be the new home for all the pots. I've got all this area here, all the way down to there. And my back door is, my laundry door. And it's just wasted space. A couple of stacks of chairs there. So I think this is where I'm going to bring this, all these potted ones now. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.